On the agenda next is cleaning. Philip, you ready?
Yes.
Cleaning? Okay. I'll watch and you clean. Ready? And go. All right. Did you enjoy this cleaning?
Yes, it looks nice now.
Yeah, check it out. We got everything stacked up here. Lumber, leftover lumber. We got all the tools off the ground. We got more sheetrock here. Particle board, doors. Everything's swept up. This is going to be the sanding room. Still need a ceiling. And little office area, prep room, and machine room. Yesterday we got the machines in. Today installed keyboards, everything, tested everything out. Everything is running. So installed this little extension so I can put my keyboard on here. And next thing is a test run tomorrow, and then a front. We gotta put some doors up front. And then here we have extension for shopboard number 3, shopboard number 4. Same setup, just duplicate the setup and move it in here for future expansion. And then that's the dust collection system going into the other room.
Nice.
Like it?
Yes.